In this video, we will share valuable tips and strategies to help you save money and make the most of your finances. Whether you're saving for a specific goal or looking to improve your financial well-being, these practical tips will help you take control of your expenses and build a solid foundation for your future financial success. Create a budget. One of the most effective ways to save money is by creating a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Categorize your expenses into essentials, such as housing, utilities, and groceries, and discretionary spending, such as entertainment and dining out. Set limits for each category and allocate a portion of your income towards savings. Regularly review your budget to ensure you're staying on track and making adjustments as needed. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a closer look at your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Are there any subscriptions or memberships that you no longer use or can live without? Can you reduce your energy consumption by being mindful of your electricity and water usage? Look for creative ways to trim your expenses without sacrificing your quality of life. Every little bit adds up and can contribute to significant savings over time. Automate your savings. Make saving money effortless by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account or a designated savings fund. This way, a portion of your income will be saved without you having to remember to do it manually. Treat your savings like any other essential bill or expense, and make it a priority. Compare prices and shop smart. Text. Before making any major purchase, do your research and compare prices. Take advantage of online tools and apps that allow you to compare prices across different retailers. Look for deals, discounts, or coupon codes that can help you save money. Additionally, consider buying used or refurbished items when appropriate. Being a smart shopper can help you save a significant amount of money in the long run. Plan meals and reduce food waste. Text. Planning your meals in advance can save you both time and money. Create a weekly meal plan and make a shopping list accordingly. By knowing what you need and sticking to your list, you can avoid impulse purchases and reduce food waste. Leftovers can be repurposed for future meals, minimizing waste and stretching your food budget. Embrace cooking at home as it is generally more cost-effective than eating out. Prioritize saving for emergencies. Text. Building an emergency fund is crucial to protect yourself from unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate emergency fund. This fund will provide a safety net in case of job loss, medical emergencies, or unforeseen financial setbacks. Prioritize saving for emergencies alongside your other financial goals to ensure you're prepared for the unexpected. Practice mindful spending. Develop a habit of mindful spending by being intentional with your purchases. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your values and priorities. Consider the long-term value and utility of the item you're buying. Avoid impulsive purchases and give yourself some time to think before making a buying decision. Being mindful of your spending can help you avoid unnecessary expenses and save money in the process. We hope these tips for saving money have been helpful to you. Remember, implementing these practical strategies can make a big difference in your financial well-being. Start applying them today and watch your savings grow. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and financial guidance.